Welcome to this video. Today, I will explain everything you need to know about the Skilled Work Regional Visa Subclass 491 for Australia. This guide is fully updated. We will cover the eligibility requirements, the step-by-step process, the costs, the processing times, the pathway, top permanent residency, and the key tips to avoid common mistakes. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to NIKZAD Immigration, official, like this video, and leave your questions in the comments. The 491 visa is a provisional skilled points-based visa. It allows you and your family to live, work, and study in regional areas of Australia for up to 5 years. The most important benefit is that it provides a clear pathway to permanent residency through the subclass 191 visa. To qualify, you must meet several requirements. You must be under 45 years old at the time of invitation. Your occupation must be on the skilled occupation list. You must obtain a positive skills assessment from their relevant authority. You must score at least 65 points, but higher scores give you a stronger chance. You must receive nomination from a state or territory government or sponsorship from an eligible family member living in a regional area. You need at least competent English, for example IELTS 6 in each band, and you must meet health and character requirements. The application process for the 491 visa involves 5 main steps. First, check that your occupation is eligible and identify the correct assessing authority. Second, complete your skills assessment and obtain a positive result. Third, lodge an expression of interest in SkillSelect and claim your points. Fourth, receive nomination from a state or sponsorship from family. Fifth, wait for an invitation and then lodge your visa application online through ImmiAccount. Although the 491 visa is temporary, it leads to permanent residency. After 3 years of living and working in regional Australia and meeting the income and residency requirements, you can apply for the permanent subclass 191 visa. In terms of costs, the main visa application charge is listed on the Department of Home Affairs visa pricing, estimatores of July 2025. You will also need to pay for skills assessments, English tests, medical examinations, and police checks. Processing time usually takes between 6 and 14 months, depending on the state and the completeness of your documents. Here are some important tips. Start your skills assessment early. Do not rely on employer sponsorship from overseas, as most employers prefer candidates already in Australia. Aim for more than 65 points to increase your chances of receiving an invitation. Keep checking the state nomination stream, since some states, such as Tasmania or South Australia, offer additional points. Make sure all documents are accurate, complete, and officially translated. In summary, the 491 visa offers you the opportunity to live, work, and study in regional Australia for 5 years, and then transition to permanent residency through the 191 visa. You do not need employer sponsorship, just points, skills assessment, and state nomination or family sponsorship. If this video was helpful, subscribe to NIKZAD Immigration Official, like the video, and leave your questions in the comments.